ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Modi Parivar.
UMLA Barim jang Trinamool Congress na Salmanpara constituency Winnerson di Sangma haga pratrik luber arjar pusau ula Pynïasoh yelade bag BJP haga jingalang kablalong ha office trekam jang parti BJP hanang ba Shillong. Yu Winnerson na pediang sengob haru president ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit Urikman G Momin ringkat ke jinga sakhilang jang MLA ke parti bakin thup yu ba AL hag berba san bor shulai kin thup ru ikinongket kam ke parti.
Central Parliamentary Board. No, second round of meeting they will be having by Central Committee.
So the list is with the
The list is already sent.
How many names?
That I will not prevail right now. Whoever applied, we have already sent. That we will see later on. I'm not going to prepare anything.
Wait and watch.
Yeah, wait and watch. Because first list also we don't know when it come out.
No, first list is out.
Yeah. No, it's already out.
So it is a very clear indications. Winnerson are joined. There is very clear indication that the BJP is winning in the Lok Sabha seats to 2024. So as I said, that only not he himself, the other former MLA or the sitting MLA also very soon they are joining to the BJP. So we are waiting for the time. And as I said by Winnerson, in a few days, they are also joining. So how many will come? Just wait and watch. Not that they are joining with the party from their hearts only, not only trailer. It's a full picture joining.
So as a party, we are very happy that they have joined the party because his vision and mission is high, based on the good works of the Narendra Modi and the BJP in every part of India and even here in Meghalaya. Plenty of scheme has been given through the central government to develop Meghalaya. So this message will go to the people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo that the time has come that they should not, entertain those political propaganda by the other parties during the election. But they should support the BJP because, as I have said earlier, today, this is not an MDC election, not an MLA election, this is a Lok Sabha election. So you know from the trend, from the national news and everywhere that still Modi will form the government. Again will form the government. So that's why no use to send other party. It will be a wastage of time. So if you send if the people, we appeal to the people of Katijantia to elect the BJP candidate as to enable he or her to get the ministership, then we can bring lots of development and generation of jobs to the job aspirants of Katijantia. We will entertain and like Dr. Mukul is a seasoned politician. Here in the party office, we will put a red carpet welcome for Dr. Mukul.
My intention of joining this BJP is with an eagerness to serve with commitment and dedicate myself to render service to the people in a without platform. I have been in politics since 2013. In the active politics, I represented 55 Salmanpara constituency for 10 years from 2013 to 23. But I could not make it in 2023 in the last assembly election to the assembly. But still, I'm active and in circulation in the active politics. I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation. I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I'm very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me in this sole function. I always will carry forward my commitment and dedication to render service to the people of my constituency and the people of the state, so that I can also contribute for the growth of the nation through this party. Today, in my after I joined this party, I would like to express to you all that under the leadership, as the president of the BJP party, under the leadership of this Rickman Moman in Garo Hills, the acceptance of BJP is growing.
Yeah, very good. It's true.
There are people who have expressed their faith and confidence with the party, and they're ready to join. Many are ready to join in the party along behind me. So I'm very confident that you will very soon in the ensuing general election to Lok Sabha, you will find that many people are enthusiastic to work for the party, to uplift the status of the party, and I believe with people's participation and cooperation, we will be able to expand the popularity of the party in the western sector of the state. Yes. I'm very grateful to the leaders for in the GMC, especially to the national president Mamata Ji and Abhishek Ji, and in the state who have been my mentors and leaders, especially to Dr. Sangma, who led the state for many years as a leader of the state. I'm grateful to them. I decided to leave the party, but I'm not leaving Dr. Sangma and others. They have been very great. They have been very kind to me, accommodated me in various levels. So I'm still grateful to them. But as of today, in the prevailing political environment in the state, I find that BJP is growing, and people have started to accept it. I have joined today as a member of the BJP, and many more are going to come along with me in next few days. The growth of numbers in coming few days.
Now, particularly Mughal Sangma, the question.
That's his decision. I cannot express to you. That is up to him.
You are the right-hand man, so you may be knowing.
It is his decision which will carry him forward to render service to the people.